Welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see the last sum of exercise 1.1. 7th sum. Let A equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C equal to set of all even prime number. Verify that you are having two subdivision on this. First one, A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Before finding this, you have to write the given set in roster form. They have given all the A, B, C, three sets in descriptive form. So, convert into roster form first. So, A set, the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural numbers you know very well, starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. which is less than 8. So, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B set, the set of all prime numbers. Prime numbers, you know very well, it is divisible by itself alone. Less than 8. So, prime numbers which are less than 8 is 2, 3, 5, 7. So, the last one, C, the set of even prime number. So, even prime number means only 2 is known as even prime number. Now, we have found A, B, C. We can proceed first sum. What is our LHS? A intersection B cross C. Now A intersection B. So A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection B 2, 3, 5, 7. So what are the intersection common element here? 2, 3, 5, 7. So our answer is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now cross A intersection B with C. So A intersection B we are having 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross C set you are having 2. Now write in ordered pair. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. This is equation number 1. Now coming to our RHS. RHS we are having A cross C intersection B cross C. Now we are going to find A cross C. So A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross C set we are having 2. Now write in ordered pair. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Now B cross C. So B set we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross 2. Sorry, B set we are having 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross C set we are having 2. Now say in ordered pair. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Finally, we are going to find its intersection. So, intersection means you know very well the common ordered pair. So, what are all the common ordered pair here? 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. So, now write your answer. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Let it be 2. So, from our 1 and 2, we can conclude that A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Second sum, A cross B difference C equal to A cross B difference A cross C. As usual, we are going to find our LHS first. B difference C. B set we are having 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference C set we are having 2. So, difference means you will write uncommon number. So, what are all the common number here? 2 and 2. So, strike down 2. What are the remaining elements? 3, 5, 7. So, difference means you have to write uncommon element which is in the first set. So, after that A cross B difference C. So, A set we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. cross B difference C 3, 5, 7. Now say in ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Last 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So let it be our first one. Next coming to our right hand side. A cross B difference A cross C. Right hand side. A cross B difference A cross C. So first A cross B. A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross B set you are having 2, 3, 5, 7. Now write in ordered pair. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. 3, 2, 3, 5. Sorry. 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. After finding A cross B, A cross C. So A cross C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross 2. Now say 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Finally, A cross B difference A cross C. So difference means you will write uncommon ordered pair. So first strike down the common ordered pairs first so that it will be easy for you to write the answer. Now here 1, 2, 1, 2. Next 2, 2. Next 3, 2. Next one 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. So, if you cancel down the common ordered pair, then you can write the remaining ordered pair easily. So, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next one 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So let it be 2. Now by comparing our 1 and 2, we can write A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Thank you.